Hello guys, today I'll be downloading goofy parrot apps and playing them and seeing how cursed or funny they look. My only rule for when I'm doing this is that the game has to have the word parrot or have like parrots in it. Yeah, that's my only guideline, I guess. But enough talking now. Let's get into it. Starting with our first game, Parrot Simule, my favorite game. Okay, so we're on the title screen, and we can already see that they're trying to force us to buy things that, like, I probably don't need. And as we can tell, we can apparently choose our type of parrot. Yeah, I guess I don't have enough money for any of those two, so I guess I'm gonna go up. And let's start on level 1. Also, if you see any weird cuts, it's because I'm just removing ads since I got like 50 ads for this app. And as we can see, we got the most high-end graphics here. Also, yes, you're gonna hear that annoying squawking sound a whole lot. It just repeats for the entire game, or at least how much I played of it. And as we can see, we gotta go to that red rhombus thing. Now on to the next level with even more high-end graphics, as we can tell. Yippee! And now we gotta go drink some water since we're very dehydrated. Also, let me add that these controls suck. Ah, yes, I see. We get to drink water with all our copy and paste clones. Oh, I see. Our buddies are in jail now. I wonder what they did. Oh, well, I guess we gotta go save them now. Oh, yes, we gotta rescue them from hunters, even though we didn't see any hunters around. But whatever. It is super hard to fly around with these controls. Oh, yes. Now we have to save our friends by doing something. Well, now on to the next level where we're gonna do this. Ah, yes, we gotta build our nest to live. Because if we don't got a nest, we're just gonna die. We're just gonna go extinct and instantly die. So we gotta build that nest. Also, ignore my dumb self trying to pick up the stick when I already got a stick in my mouth. Okay, I see that the stick has powers, I guess. Okay, I'm starting to get a little annoyed with that annoying squawkity squawk noise in the background. Okay, I see that I got stuck for a second. Oops. Oh yes, now we have children. And on to the next level again. And it looks like we're on Pride Rock almost. Anyway, what was with that random blackout for a second? Wait, what the heck is that new button in like the corner? Like, what the heck does it do? Also, might I add that the water is like a healthy shade of radioactive blue. But anyways, I'm just gonna end it there. The game has way too many levels, so if I were to review it all, I'd probably be here for like 19 minutes. So let's just go on to the next game. Okay, so it's loading up, and this is what we got. By the way, I did in fact customize them. They did not originally come like this. So yeah, I see that it kind of looks like Axel got beaten up a little. Okay, I see Blue knocked down Axel. What the heck did he even do there? What kind of food is that? guess they're gonna start singing. And Blue got knocked down due to, something. But don't worry, he can teleport. Whatever that thing is. Is that a rose? Where'd he get the ring from? And where did the ring go? Like, did Exo eat the ring or something? Like, what happened? And now they're going to fight, because that's what couples do. I see that he can teleport too for some reason. Seemingly the recording button doesn't work. Now let's try something from the pinwheel icon. Okay, I see I get to play as Blue, so I guess I'm gonna fly, I guess. Because that looks like what I can do. Okay, and I'm falling it. What are those ragdoll physics? What happened to poor Blue? Poor Blue just ragdolled again. Okay, I feel like we should try something else because I'm just torturing him at this point, and that's not very good. Okay, so I clicked on the chat bubble icon, and let's see what happened. Are you speaking to us?
Hey, are you still there?
I don't remember Blue sounding like that.
I have many more food stories and
Please shut up
recipes
for
to
a
share.
second. Jewel, but I don't remember this being Rio.
I once tried to cook a cake, but
Also, how do you laugh so much that you fly
brick.
away? Like, that doesn't make sense.
Jewel laughed so hard she almost flew away.
I don't
My
think
favorite
zoos
animal
existed
in the zoo is
in
the giraffe.
medieval times. I guess Axel is speaking to us. Also, he sounds female for some reason. Wait, is this Jewel actually?
My snacks a little closer to the ground.
Oh yes, my favorite language, Portuguese. Nope. Anyways, I'm gonna move on to a different game now because that's basically all there is to this game. Okay, so it's by Unity, of course, and it's currently loading. Also, what the heck is that thing in the corner? What kind of mammal is that thing next to that cat? Like, that is a creepy hamster. Also, spoiler alert, I don't get any ads. Okay, so it clearly has superior graphics compared to the rest of the games. And now we gotta fly for these rings. I mean, the movement is still kind of bad, but I could argue that it's a lot better than what the last one was. Also, might I add this? This house looks so nice looking. Like, I wish I had a house in a bedroom like this. Like, my actual house is very small. Uh-oh, I see that my owner died. Oh well. Oh, I'm just kidding, she's sleeping. Also, no, you're not named Charlie, you're named Scarlety. Oh, hey, I guess she's talking to herself, I guess. As you can see, at this point, I didn't know how to land, so ignore these few parts where I just like hovering around. Wait, did we kill the rat or something? Well, who cares? I guess it goes in the garbage now. Anyways, I'm gonna move on to another game since, like the last time, this is kind of a longer game, so on to the next one, shall we? Seems like a lot of these were made with Unity. And here's our menu, I guess. Not the best menu, but whatever. Anyways, let's look for the birds real quick. We got Arnold, the cockatiel, I think. Then we got Pippin, whatever the heck he is. Bombadil. Hey, it's Scarletty! And Sunny. And whoever he is. Axel? Blue! Then we got the other bird. But we're doing Blue, of course, because Blue is the best POD character. So yeah, we're literally gonna change his name real quick. And there. And then let's work on him. So first off, we get to give him some accessories, I guess. So let's change the background up. Should it be nighttime? Or should it be daytime? Or should it be time? Nighttime is better. So let's give him some accessories. So a flower. There, he gets a nice bow because, I don't know. And then he's gonna have stripy wings. And now we're gonna give him, we're not gonna give him any of those accessories. Then we're gonna change up his tail. So now he got that pink tail because why not? Nope, that looks, yeah, he gets the stars because, yeah, nighttime. And then, hat time. Should we get a hat? Then we're gonna give him white feathers because on his ankles. And actually, I don't even know where the heck that was. And now he's gonna hold, actually hold some plants. How about a bell? There. And now he's gonna hold an umbrella because, Mary Poppins. He's also gonna wear white feathers around his neck because. So yeah, that's basically it, I think. So yeah, we got Goofy all looking blue here. Okay, now we're gonna do Axel because of course we will. Also, yeah, we gotta rename him real quick. Whoops. Also, I find it coincident. It's kind of ironic that they ended up together. Like, okay, so he's gonna be in the desert, which kind of makes sense, I guess. And now he's gonna get a clown hat because clown hair. And now we're gonna give him some peacock wings because I guess he's half peacock. Now he's gonna hold a stick because he's a clown. Now he's gonna. Okay, not that. There. Now he gets to hold a bunch of apples somehow with like I don't know how. He gets to wear a potion. He gets a no, not a flower. There, he gets whatever the heck that thing is. Now he's gonna get some. No, yeah, he got a ring around his toes. Yeah, toe ring. Now he's gonna have a peacock tail because yeah. No eyebrows. Yeah, I guess you can have a star around his eyes, I guess. So, there we go. We got goofy looking Axel here. I'll just leave this up for a second. So yeah, that's basically how the whole game is, if it really is a game. Anyways, on to the next game. So it's loading. Oh yeah, by the way, if you see any weird cuts, it's because I had to cut out like 1,000 ads. And just like last time, bombarding me with payments. I see, we can change our skins again, just like last time. Let's check out what we got. Blue Scarlety, yellow Scarlety, purple Scarlety, and pinky, aka Pink Scarlety. But anyways, not a whole lot of skins, so let's get started. Okay, so honestly, kind of like the first one I played. Wait a second. That was the first one, my mistake. Gotta set the parrots free, apparently somehow. By going through weird orbs. So yeah, I guess there's a nest, I guess. I mean, they already found a cozy home, but whatever. I guess we gotta directly go to it and say, it's my cozy home. Oh, I guess I see, along with finding a cozy home, I guess we instantly lay eggs. Okay, so now there's floating apples. So I guess we gotta collect the apples, I guess. I don't know why they're floating, but whatever. This isn't real logic, this is parrot logic. Anyways. Okay, I accidentally clicked out for a second. So, let's go back to wherever level we were at originally. Or, yeah, whatever level. Okay, I guess there's a pile of apples now, since the floating apples thing didn't make sense. And weren't you guys already fed? Can you not get enough apples? Also, might I add, the controls are somehow worse, and, the added quantity is way worse, too. Also, I'd argue that the graphics are kind of worse. But anyways, I'm not gonna rank them all the games right now, because that's for the end. Oh yeah, I also forgot we're supposed to be looking for a partner or something. So yeah, I guess we just got Pink Scarlety. Oh hey, I guess we instantly laid eggs. I wonder what I'm doing all the way over there. Hey, didn't you guys already start a family since there's clearly already eggs? Whatever, I guess eggs aren't people. Okay. Okay, I guess all my babies are clones again. Cursed clones that hatch in unison. Cursed clones that look like mini adults. So I guess it's time to collect our fruits. Again. What the heck is that icon? Also, I see that my adult babies only need one fruit to survive. Okay, not gonna lie, this looks like the first game. Or it looks like it's by the people who created the first game. Also, what the heck was that other icon? The question is, which parrot? Is it me, or is it the pink parrot's friend? I'm sorry, I meant Pinky's friends. So I guess we'll fly in unison and commit a ritual. Wow, what a race. Okay, I guess the other parrots are in jail because they probably took steroids. I guess I gotta fly all the way over there. Also, let's check and see how my children are doing. I guess they're doing fine, so I guess it's time to go to my, friends. Wait, why did I disappear? I guess I was in jail too. I guess we now have to go through Fruit Loops. I'm sorry, I meant rings. Wait, is that the end? Okay, I guess it ended. Well, I guess it's time to rank the games, I guess. So here are my rankings. So for the worst one, I'm gonna have to say the one I just played was kind of the worst one in my opinion because of a few things. Number 1, it had the most ads. Number 2, the icons looked weird as heck. And number 3, I'm pretty sure the graphics were even worse than the first one. Now for the second worst one, I'm gonna have to rank the first one as the second worst one because it was basically the exact same as the fifth one. Except I could argue it's less bad because it didn't have those creepy icons. Also, it didn't give me like 50 ads, unlike the last one. And now for the less worst ranking, we have the talking parrot couple one. As much as I wanted to rank this highly, I just can't because the graphics are still kind of horrible. And also, the goofy minigame thing that was in it was completely broken. Now on to the ones that I consider good. So, for the second best one, we have that one parrot simulator, the third one. Simply because the graphics were the best out of the 3D games, and I actually liked the house layout, and I thought it was kind of fun. Even though the controls were still kind of bad, I can still appreciate that at least it tried. Though I'll never get over the creepy hamster. And now for the best one in my opinion, the fancy parrots one. Because the outfits were goofy, and it decided to contain Blue, and Axel, and Sunny and Scarlety. But anyways, that's the end of this video. I might do a second part of this at some point. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.